guys, Toby here from Pro Edge Trading. We all know choppy markets can wreck a lot of traders, but not when you have the EdgeRunner. Today I'll show you how the EdgeRunner indicator cuts through the noise, keeps you focused, and finds clean setups even when the market's all over the place. Let's jump in. All right, first we're looking here at the MNQ 2-minute Pro Edge bars at a couple signals. Now, you know, we have regular signal trades or our ATR trades. You know, here you go. You got a signal if you're going for 10 or 20 points, which we recommend for the 2-minute. You know, you got that. If you're doing the ATR trade, I think it was around 30 points. You got that. Same thing over here. 10, 15, 20, 30 points, 100. I think you would have got it no matter what. And another thing the EdgeRunner really excels at when using our bars and a logic that that builds these bands and presents the bars on the chart just the way they are they're printed on there. We love our edge band bounce trades, right? So let me show you, say, from the beginning of the day. So you have your curtain here. You're looking for a confirmation close, which you don't get. Come up here, same thing. Now it's going up. A lot of times people try to get in here and they get wrecked. So here you go, no confirmation, no confirmation. Then the market just chops for an hour and a half or whatever. Finally starts to move. If you want to count this one, it's not horrible. So you got a little loop here, comes down. Technically, this is your first close under all of these lows. You get in here, you got, this is like 50, 60 points, 72 to 10. So you got 60 points on offer. You know, you get half of them, that's 35 points. Same thing here. You got, this is prettier. You got this loop, comes down. If you count this little one, you know, it's kind of iffy. You get in here, it's not horrible. But, you know, this is our nice one right here. Finally get a close under it right here. And this doesn't look like much, but, you know, this is another 20, 30 points right here. If you stay in, you get even more. Same thing, we go along, no confirmation. No confirmation. See, you almost get tempted here somewhere, but you don't get a confirmation close under this wick right here. We go up. This one takes a while, loops up, loops back in, and here is your confirmation close. Get in anywhere here, and you know, you're off to the races. This thing just went up, 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 up. So that's the Q for you, the MNQ. Look at another one, M2K. Here's your first trade. That's a winner on the regular signal or your ATR method. Either way, it's a winner. That went up almost 2 points. That's within our 2-minute profit target window. Here you go. This one's obviously, this tanks on you, which is good if you're in short. And then same thing. You get a little loop here. You know, I wouldn't really count this, but if you did, you know, that's a good trade. Here's a prettier one. Comes in, loops in. Here is your close below all of these lows. And there you go, 56 down to, you know, that's six points or so on the M2K is good. And one thing I wanted to mention is you should only take one or two on a leg. Eventually that leg is gonna reverse on you. So the first one or two are usually really good. And then go along here. So where were we? This is why I only like to take the first one or two. Eventually it's going to play out. You got one here, but then it goes sideways on you. Eventually it makes it, but you don't need to take that kind of heat. Just take the first one or two curtains. And then it just goes kind of flat. Here you go. We're going up now. You get a little one here. You get in. It's a winner. Any one of these little ones are a winner. It just ramped up all day after that. But that's the EdgeRunner choppy day. Kept you safe, kept you profitable. And, you know, any one of these trades are going to pay for this. You got the indicator here, lifetime updates. When we add new indicators that apply to this, you get those for free. You got the auto here, has everything, includes the indicator, and does all those trades. Doesn't do the edge band trades automatically, but it'll do the background trades, the normal trades, the ATR trades, do all that for you automatically. And come see us in Discord. We got a big Discord, a lot of people in there. We're in there answering questions. We're in there all day answering questions, sharing setups. We'd like to see you in there as well. And that's it for today. Choppy, but we made it through. And we'll be on the charts tomorrow. All right, thanks.